Hey, this is Rick Miles at Bell Ford, 2401 West Bell Road. Today we're going to go over some safety tips to jumpstart your 2021 Ford Ranger. First thing you want to do is go ahead and pop the hood. You're going to find your hood release under the dash. Good to go there. There's a safety catch under here, so you're going to have to use both hands to get it open. Now the battery on this vehicle is located on this side, okay? So you want to expose both your terminals. You've got your negative end over here, your positive end. Just flip off this safety cover and now you can have access to it. Grab your jumper cables. And what I like to do is I like to connect the opposite end like this. That way there's no chance that you're going to create a spark. Lay those on the ground. With these cables, you've got yellow and you've got black. One's going to be positive, one's going to be negative. So we're going to attach the positive terminal in first. Get yourself a secure fit like that. Do your negative end next. Secure fit. Grab your jumper cables. Now this one you'll attach to the positive first and the negative second on the other vehicle. Then you can start your vehicle. For this and other helpful safety tips, you can follow us on YouTube at Bell Ford, or you can give us a call at our service center, 602-866-1776. This is Rick Miles. Thank you.